So here's the deal. It's getting cold out. This thing still looks like hell. We gotta get to work. Let's get after it, pitter patter. They laughed when Arcat introduced the slide rail suspension system. Well, who's laughing now? Johnson's Sales and Service. All right, so here's your slide rail suspension system. She's got a few barnacles and crusties on her. That's nothing a little elbow grease and a few swear words can't fix. We got some rusty shafts. We got some rusty shocks. But hey, no problem. All right, let's talk about tracks for a minute. Guys, in the 1973, they're all going to use 126-inch, what they call a 3/4 cleat track. They're hard to come by. There was a lot of them out there, but you can't buy new belts and you can't buy new cleats. Sometimes, if you get lucky, you're going to find a dimension inside, next to the Goodyear stamp. The other thing you're going to find, these are factory cleats with solid rivets. But as you can see, they're cracked and they're worn through. Pretty common. You can't find cleats. That's what's called a cat claw. Those are getting hard to come by too. This track over here is in much better shape, but this has cleats that were made by Kimpex or Snow Stuff. You can see from down here there's a moderate bit of wear, but right now this is the best track I got. I got a few loose rivets and things, but not too bad a shape. The hardest part of your restoration is going to be dealing with this track. Now I got lucky. I found an entire set of new old stock cleats. Jerry's new old stock cat parts in central Minnesota. He had 50 of them. I got lucky. You may have to make them. You may have to go to a laser shop and get them press braked. They don't exist. You're going to find them on eBay here and there, onesie twosies, but you're not going to find 50 of them, and if you do, they're expensive, trust me. Hardest part of your restoration's right here. Good luck, guys. So if a guy wanted to put a little grease in this bearing, I wonder if we can get into this thing. Let's check it out. A lot of dirt and grime in that sucker. Let's get her cleaned out. All right, so an old wise man taught me this once. Come up here underneath the lip. You can pop these seals out without damaging them, just like so. Now we can get in here, clean, flush, repack her with grease. Mint. Let's give this a shot. Well, folks, as you can see, do not use brake cleaner on your wheels, because look at that. Look what just happened. Just split her wide open. I do believe we call this junk. Right there. Don't do it. Just destroyed one of my wheels. God damn it. Ah! Alright, so I took the bearing out of the wheel. I took that out. Luckily, I got another wheel. But I want to take this side off. We're going to clean this bearing and repack her with grease. Do not use brake clean on your plastic wheels. It sends them to the graveyard. Damn it. Luckily, I got more. All right, after going off camera and doing a lot of swearing, I was able to get this wheel, thanks to Jack Lovis, off that 340 carcass. So we're in good shape there. I'm gonna pack this wheel bearing with this grease, and we're gonna put this idler wheel back together. We'll be in good shape. All right, we're all greased up. Just simply put these retainers back in, these grease seal retainers. Like so. This bearing is smooth as glass. Put this thing back together. Repeat the other side. Good as new, silky smooth. All right, we've cleaned, we've scrubbed, and we've painted. It's time to get this rear slide rail suspension back together. So I gotta tell you, that was a lot of work, but it was a lot of fun. I hope you guys liked it. All I got is a set of Hyfaxes to put on, a couple of these wheels. This skid's ready to go. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.